This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open TikTok, land on the target video, and tap the comment icon. You want the sticker button, tap it. That opens categories and a search field. Once you see options, browse categories or type a keyword to find a sticker that matches tone or reaction. Do this first because choosing the right sticker shapes your comment's impact. Make sure you use the in-app search. It's faster than scrolling through pages of images and keeps your reply relevant. Now you'll place and refine the sticker. Tap any sticker to insert it into the comment box, and then type your accompanying text before or after it. You can add emojis for emphasis and keep sentences short so the sticker reads clearly. Once done, preview the combined message to confirm the sticker's tone matches your words. If it clashes, change the sticker or tweak your text. This step matters because alignment of image and text determines clarity and how others will react. Finish by tapping send and check that your comment appears under the video. That confirms success. If the sticker doesn't post, retry once, then make sure your app is updated and you have a stable connection. Sometimes clearing cache or relogging fixes temporary bugs. If problems persist, try a different sticker type or switch to a GIF and report the issue through TikTok help so they can look into account or feature limits. Keep trying only a couple times before reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.